with K9. Check, I'll switch you guys over to the other call. Update on the 97 weapons on 28th and O.
Where at?
504 thick belt, yellow baseball cap, beige trench coat. That appeared to be a silver handgun.
Hey, get on the ground right now!
31, you got subject running southbound. Copy, running southbound, reverse
Get on the ground right now!
28.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! 6, come on! Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Show me your hands! Hey! Hands! Come on! Go! 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 Get on the ground! Drop it now! Drop it! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! No, don't grab the gun!
Just to the vehicle, please, and we'll come back to this one. 31. Running southbound.
Please, K9, don't run, you get hit.
Subject continuing down 28. Going up on O. Bravo 35, go 3.
Hey, get on the ground! You're gonna get... Get on the...
Get down, get down,
Show
get
your
down.
hands! Show your hands!
K9's tired. She's down. We can't hold the gun still in her hands.
No, don't grab the gun!
Get the cover. Cover.
I can't see then. Stay there.
Ma'am, get out of the
Stay
car.
there.
Get out of the car. Put the car in park, you guys. Get out of the car.
Don't secure my door! Hold on. Who's gonna be?
I got hands.
I'm gonna get the gun away. All right. Who's taking hands? I got hands.
I can do hands.
Hold on.
One's ready.
Listen to me.
You're gonna be
You're
hands?
moving on. You're
Okay, you
moving
need
on
hands.
for that gun. We're going to shoot you again.
Ready? Let's go. Slow. Stay with it.
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Okay, who's going hands?
Leave it right there. Leave it right there.
Okay. Hand.
No, I'm like uncommitted. My leg is shot. My leg is shot.
Who else has here? You don't have gloves, do you? Who else has gloves?
Medical kit.
Okay, we
All right, we'll get a medical kit. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. I'm just gonna watch the gun, I guess. Okay, watch the gun.
Okay.
Tourniquet?
Let me check.
All right.
We got an abdominal wound with an exit wound in the back. We have one in the knee. Exit wound in the calf. Doesn't.
You want to do a tourniquet up there?
No, I don't think
Andy?
it needs a tourniquet.
No?
I think it just
Okay.
needs pressure dressing.
You got one in the abdomen.
Yeah,
and
exit wound in the back. Check for more.
I checked the back. We have one here. Okay, hang in there, okay? Hang in there.
I need a pressure dressing.
Hang in there, okay? Do you have any other? Let's check it. There's nothing on the back.
Pressure dressing.
My leg really hurts.
Okay, hang in there.
Understand what has to happen. Need scissors?
Yeah, let's do a touchstone. Oh, thank you.
Officers recovered a silver pellet handgun in the immediate area where the suspect was taken into custody. The suspect was arrested on robbery charges and booked into the Sacramento County Main Jail.